This is how to use Capitec Top Up Voucher on the app. Make sure you watch until the end so you do not miss any steps. If your app layout looks slightly different after an update, the steps are still the same. Just follow along and look for the same options. First, open the Capitec app and log into your account. Once you are on your main dashboard, tap Transact at the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap Buy Vouchers. From here, tap History at the top to view your purchased vouchers. Select the Capitec Top Up Voucher you want to use. You will now see the Voucher PIN and voucher details. A Capitec Top Up Voucher is a single-use prepaid voucher that can be used to top up airtime on supported networks like Capitec Connect, Cell C, MTN, Telkom, or Vodacom. To use it, dial the Recharge USSD code for your network on your phone and enter the Voucher PIN when prompted. Depending on the network, you may also be able to enter the Voucher PIN in their app or website when topping up. Once the PIN is successfully entered, the airtime will be added to the mobile number. And that's it. That's how you use Capitec Top Up Voucher on the app. If this helped you, remember to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides.